In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Remitly to the USA. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in properly. Before sending anything, take a moment to check that you're using the correct account and that your app or browser is fully loaded. This helps avoid mistakes later in the process. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country option at the top of the page. Click on it and select the USA as the destination country. This step is important because Remitly will tailor the transfer options, delivery methods, and payment details based on the country you choose. After selecting the USA, click Send Money. This will take you to the transfer setup screen where you'll begin entering the details for your transaction. At this point, if the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts, simply click on their contact. That can save time and reduce the need to re-enter their information. If they are not already saved, click New Contact and then select their country. Make sure the recipient information matches their official account details exactly, since even small errors can delay the transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Remitly may show you the exchange rate, transfer fees, or the amount the recipient is expected to receive. It's a good idea to review this carefully before moving on, so you understand the full cost of the transfer. After that, select the delivery method. The available options may depend on the recipient's location and how they want to receive the money. Choose the method that best fits their needs and double-check that it matches the information you'll enter next. Then, select your payment method. This is how you will fund the transfer. Once you've chosen it, click Continue. From there, enter the recipient's account details exactly as requested on the screen. Take your time with this part, because accurate banking or receiving information is essential for a successful transfer. After entering the details, simply follow the prompts on your screen to review everything and complete the transaction. Before you confirm the transfer, do one final check of the amount, recipient, delivery method, and payment method. If everything looks correct, go ahead and finish the process. That's how to send money from Remitly to the USA.